Morning gents, welcome to the channel. Today's video is about 958 Cayenne heater control valve actuator. There's a control valve actually. That's plastic control, will have a leak. Look at that valve. This is a transmission model, yeah. And there is the valve. Look at the points of antifreeze points in there. This guy needs to be removed and replaced. Okay. It's only two. This one, you see it as a new, just was replaced recently. And another one still need to do. Yeah, what we need to do now, how. Okay. Other stuff is good. This looks good, yeah. Alright, let's get started. Actually, the plan is replace these all required pipings on cooling system. Actually, these pipings are from the donor 2017. Let's have a look which one is here. My one is a little bit old and a little bit issue with these plastic connections. That is why. Let's have a look what is the year. Nice year. Okay, 958, same generation, and at the same time this cooling pipe which is in front of the vehicle. Yeah, serial number. Okay, I have two actuators available. One is from the donor, but I will not put that, but this is original 2015. I'll need to put that. I'll put that one, which is a SWAG SVAG 24. It's brand new. I will install this one. I will drain all cooling. That is why it's a good time to replace all these things. And might be the pump, cooling pump. Okay, let's start.
Streaming, everyone choose a different dream to follow. Waters are either wild or coming, and many a soul runs steep and some are shallow. We flow together with loneliness, we go through days of happiness and sorrow. What life brings along, no one foresees what's gonna come tomorrow. So we flow like the river, and we change but stay the same. And the deep on the river, secrets long.
Disconnect the cooling pipe, the bottom end of the radiator. Just check, just quick check, everything's okay. Okay, no leaks. Excellent. You see no leaks on it? That's from the rubber hose. Alright, that is why I want to replace all this housing, hoses are cooling hoses. Alright, there's no access on the back side for the no leaks. Alright, let's continue.
And we flow, we flow, we flow, we flow, we flow, we flow, we flow.
Just go over the house.
But we always stay there. And we go, we go, we go, we go, we go, we go, we go. Never elsewhere.
Okay. Let's get it out of the way. Now we need to remove all these holes out. This pipe out.
People are like a flowing stream. Everyone choose a different dream to follow. Waters are either wild or coming, and many a soul runs deep and some are shallow. We flow together with loneliness. We go through days of happiness and sorrow. No one knows what life brings along. No one foresees what's gonna come tomorrow. So we flow like the river, and we change but stay the same. In the deep under the mirror, secrets slumbering in our soul. People are like a flowing stream, and everyone choose a different dream to follow. Waters are either wild or coming, and many a soul runs deep and some are shallow. So we flow like the river, and we change but stay the same. In the deep under the mirror, secrets slumbering in our soul.
Okay, this pipe, you see it? A little bit damaged and bent a little bit. Might be again previous accidents, who knows. Okay.
But never elsewhere.
should be valve, should be here. See that valve? Alright, valve. Inside we have check valve. Right, nothing left to remove, only one hose. That is why I registered the vehicle. The problem of this activator, one side of this activator connected to the transmission cooler, which is located on top of the transmission. The dealer won't normally doing that. To replace that, they drop down the transmission and the motor. But I have a way how to replace it without removing that transmission and the motor. Alright, show you later. Last one. See that big guy is disconnected from top. Alright, on this one now, we need to disconnect. That's it from back side. Next we move on to actuator. Come on baby, light my fire. Right. Disconnect it. These screws can only be disconnected underneath. That is why I prepare guys for the jack. Only one left. bottom one disconnected. Alright. Bye bye, baby. Ovski. Right. No. What about water pump? Water pump. I need to check water pump now. Check the vacuum lines for the coolant pump. Look for any residue, liquid, coolant drops, or anything else that seems abnormal. I also noticed that the coolant pump is dated 2021, which suggests it's probably replaced at some point not too long ago. Okay. Not this time. All right, let's plan for solenoid. Wow, why it's so bad? Now we'll clean it after. All right, let's plan for solenoid. Alright guys, what actually task is? The top solenoid activator, this side connected to the cooler, transmission cooler, transmission ATA fluid cooler. This side connected to the hose which is going to heating system for the engine. On these both sides you have the clamps such that which is unreally hard to reopen out, and they located such like this on both sides. My task is on the bottom one, I cut that physically with a small grinder. I cut that and remove and install normal clamps like that. Now this one is an awkward access, not extremely not easy. And these guys, I need to remove them on both sides. I have option disconnect, because exactly the same clamp is on the cooler side for the transmission and on the top of the housing or hoses one is just going into the heating system for the engine. 2 clamps, but access incredible for that one and for this one. Anyway, let's have a look what I can do. All right, let me show you something, guys. The actuator removed, and I will explain how I did remove it. Alright, this is where activator, it's 2 activators, actually the bottom one, which is located here, somewhere here, and another one is on top, is there, on top of the transmission. And the oil cooler, transmission ATF cooler, is on the transmission, located there. Actually, activator is here. You see these 2 hoses, and these bloody clamps are on top. This is it. You see that 2 hoses? All right, this is for the top one. This is how I did remove it. I cut it. First connection which is closer to engine. Cut it, remove the clamp, and this one, it was easy being removed afterwards. Cut with a multi-tool. Just cut it. That's it. Easy. This is new, and this one is the only one. Multi-tool, which I use it to cut out the activator. Right. Yeah. Like that. And a multi-tool. Just cut it. Remove the clamp from the cut side. Then remove that piece, and next put the other side, which was much more easier than the side which was close to engine. Alright, it's time to put it back, install it back, the new one. Yeah, what we will have, come on. Now we need to put everything back on again. It's going to be much more easy now. Alright. Okay. Alright. Okay, this is installation for the top. And this one, see the hose, that's another hose. Alright, this is actually top of the transmission. Alright, this one first, this is second, and most harder is this one. Okay. Alright, now you can see how it looks like. The top solenoid actuator for the transmission cooling. This is the top on the transmission, and connections, everything. Now we go on to second one. This is how the second controller activator location. It's nice. Alright, this is the second one, and there is a top one located on there. Alright, 1 and 2. Successfully installed, and we will test it later on. That's all, guys. See you.